Welcome everyone, it's Fury here. In this video I'd like to show you a little bit more of my AI Fury application. So this video is gonna show how it's affecting the game world and AI entities in the game world. So first of all, what you gotta do once you download the AI Fury, it's not released just yet, but you know, it's gonna be soon. You're gonna go to the editor and create AI character using my components. So, first of all, you want to go here to Tools and Schematic Editor and press File, New, Schematic Entity. And let's put it in Objects. Doesn't matter where you put and how you call it. Tutorial AI. That's how we call it now. Doesn't matter. You press No over here. So you're gonna need two components. First is Fury AI Fury character. The way it works is pretty simple. It has animation settings and all the models and shit. So render and collider, then character. I'm using first-person shooter template with the original characters. If you don't get this character here, it means that it doesn't have a cry asset file. So press assets, open up third person, and save up, close, and it's gonna generate the cry asset file. So now you open and it's right here. Okay, database file. I'm gonna be providing this file because normal file it's not good for the AI. So sample and another AI sample controller definition here. Third person and idle. Don't touch these things here. Movement settings, you know, air resistance and stuff. I'm not even touching this because it's quite cool, the default values, but if you want to play around with this, go ahead. Physical settings, 80 kilos, and these collider sizes are good for this model, so I'm also gonna leave this. Gameplay settings, I'm planning on giving some more functionality to this tab, but at the moment we have just move speed or run speed, so let's give him 16. It's gonna be quite slow. Yeah, 16. I'm gonna save this and add another component. It's component called AI Fury component. Probably I'm gonna change its name, but doesn't matter. You don't have anything. It's just the AI behavior trees reader kind of. So save it up. It says it can't open file here, so it's not a big deal. Would be cool now to go to the map. It's example Crytex map, no changes at all so far, because I'm gonna change something now. So we're gonna go to the AI here, AI navigation area, and press here, 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 and double click when you want to finish. Move it a little bit down. Sometimes there is a lot of problems, at least I experience a lot of problems with this navigation mesh lately, but I don't know, maybe I'm doing something wrong. So I'm gonna save this map. This blue surface is where your AI character is able to walk. So I'm gonna close the editor now. If you open it, oh shit. My editor does some weird shit. It opens up in multiple instances. See? I don't know why this happens, but and everything else. Yeah. Open the editor once again. Open the map, and now you can see legacy entities. It loaded up our entity, so you can drop it on the map anywhere, like here, and jump to the game, and you're gonna see he's not doing anything. It's just simple AI without any functionality. So yeah, I'm gonna escape, remove him from here because we're gonna need to reload him. Now we're gonna open the, sorry, I have to go back in here and close the sandbox properly. We're gonna go to AI Fury and create behavior tree for our AI, and he's gonna, okay, so now we're gonna create selector. Well, I'm gonna call it main. The naming doesn't matter here, although this is just one from the root, because root can have only one child, so this is only one. That's why I always call it main, so I know. New sequence, and this sequence will be called handle enemy, for example. Also, this naming doesn't matter. Connect them up, and some leaves we're gonna add here. First of all, we would like to check if any enemy is around. So what this node does in the code is iterating through the enemy entities nearby our AI, but he's unaware of them just yet. We want to see if he can see them visually. So if they are not behind some wall, if they are not behind an obstacle or something like this. If they are not, then do something else. Let's tell him to follow our enemy. Right? And otherwise, if something like, if there is no enemies, then we have to tell him to idle, which is doing nothing, just stand. Yeah, so a little tree over here, but I'm gonna save this in our game test assets script AI Fury. I'm gonna call this Fury main. In the future, you're gonna be able to choose the trees from the schematic. Exit, load the editor. I'm literally recording this video like 5 times already, because with this navigation meshes there's always problems. Behavior trees work fine, just the navigation meshes does some weird stuff. Yeah, so we're here. We're gonna go to legacy entities and drop our tutorial AI. So I'm gonna spawn myself in here, and you can see he's falling very slowly because we gave him 16 speed. He's gonna be following me until he stops seeing me. When he stops seeing me, then he's gonna go to the last point where he could spot me. Right? So this is some animation bullshit that happens sometimes when you are close to the edges. Okay. I'm gonna reset him. Okay. So he spotted me. He's following me. So the last place where he can spot me will be somewhere near this corner. He can still spot me. Okay. I'm able to get behind him probably. Yep. So he can't see me anymore. You can give him some more functionality, like he can hear you or something. If you move faster, then he's gonna hear you from the bigger distance and stuff. But for now, it's fine. If I just show up in front of him so he can spot me. Yeah. So he noticed me and he's coming after me. It's pretty much cool. I mean, pretty cool. Okay, we got this guy here. I'm gonna save it and export to engine. Well, as you can see, it does some stupid stuff with the navigation meshes, with the navigation area, I mean, and you have to move it like this, for example, or that. I'm gonna reset itself, save, and now you can oh, you can't. Oh, damn it. You see, there's some stupid stuff happening to this. Okay, save and export to engine, so it's exported properly. So he's still, yeah, it's working. So I'm gonna close this, go once again to AI Fury, and tell him to shoot me while he's following me. So load behavior tree, load this one, and we're gonna tell him to now. We're gonna add another sequence maybe. Okay, we're gonna call it fire. not tree. Let's call it new leaf. And can fire, so we can check if we can fire. For some reason, if we have ammo or something. And start fire. Bang. Bang. Okay. So save it up for the same file, obviously. Yep. Exit up. We're gonna launch the game now and see what happens to him. Most likely navigation mesh will get fucked up, but we will see. Okay, where is this guy? It's over here. So, as you can see, he's not following me. He's shooting out, but he's not following me because navigation mesh is fucked up. Pretty much. So, I'm gonna have to check what these problems with the navigation mesh, what these problems are, and eliminate them. Okay, let's load them up again. So the guy's over here. Let's maybe put him back on the stage. Jump to the game. So he's now following me and shooting at me. Right? So it's quite cool. As I said, behavior trees work obviously amazing. They need some more functionality, but you know, we'll do soon. And the thing is that the navigation meshes fuck up sometimes. So I'm gonna just hide myself if I'm able to at all. Fucking hell, it's hard to, you know, get rid of this guy. Okay. Alright, so that would be pretty much all for today, and I hope you like it and keep in touch with this, because it's gonna be cool, very, very cool feature. See you next time.